We are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and pattern. Okay, guys, we are marking up TSLA. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market, looking for patterns. We're going to start off on this monthly time frame and to identify as many patterns as possible. Overall structure, high is high. We have low is low, midpoint in the middle, second level midpoint, low is low, second level midpoint. And all we can see in these markets breaking levels, retesting, break, retest, break, retest, break, retest, break. So we got that incline market of that uptrend that the market's in. Get down to the weekly time frame. Let's work our way backwards. Let's do a little something different. Tag the monthly. Let's head down to 1 minute and we work our way up. Structure sitting right in front of us, so we can see this structure. Market price, high is high, low is low. But overall, in that area, we can see that market's kind of bouncing its way up, was bouncing itself up and down in that consolidation, but also forming a pattern. The pattern that we received is what? The first leg, the second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up. Okay. At this area of this low of this leg, this is a single bottom. At this area of this low is a single bottom with 1, 2 retests, and the market pushed up to that back of that area high. So this market could be being respected for that W, for that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. Right here, the market pushes up, or it can just be respected by has many pushes that it received at the high. So at the highs, how many areas that was respected? Market pushed up once, maybe once. I'm not too sure about this area here, but we're gonna work with it. We're gonna work with this peak for now. So that would be let's say market pushed up once. Let's do that again. Market spiked up once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, came back down, 5th time, maybe 6. I think it's less than that. We're just identifying how many pushes I did see, about 6 pushes to that top of that area. It could be a lot less. It's 2 areas I'm not too sure of, which is here and here. So we're going to say 6 pushes. So that market could be maxing itself out. It may not be ready for it to that price action is above support. It is. Be looking for that market to break, retest, break above new levels. Let's walk up the time frame. Gonna skip a few levels. Let's go to 15-minute time frame. Let's identify patterns in the market. So anywhere we stop, we can find something. So we're gonna just stop somewhere. So let's stop right here. Let's figure out what's going on in this area here. And we'll break the chart down. So this is a lot going on here. As in, very simple, price action, high is high, going across the board to the top, low is low, all the way at the bottom. Can we identify patterns? Yes, we can, right in front of us. Okay, what did we receive? Pattern looked like it's was gonna about to push up for that W. So what it's trying to do was that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest, market spiked up. It did not happen. Market dropped down from the downtrend from the overall of the spike to the high. So what did we receive? Market spiked up once, market spiked up maybe twice in that middle, market spiked up 3 times. Retest 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, about 3 retests, 3 retests, the market dropped down. So market's coming from a triple top, multiple retests, market came down for that downtrend. Price coming from that high. So when you're trying to identify how many spikes up to that high, this is the highest area here. So you count in white coming up. Okay, so you can't see that the rest of white is there. So the imagine white peeking up, red is coming down, white is peeking back up, red is coming down, white is peeking back up. So we peaked up 3 times with white, so that's 1, 2, 3. Market came down 4, 5, maybe 6, 7. Let's just do it. We're gonna just count the top as a whole. This is a lot. It's 1 push, 2 pushes, 3 pushes, 4 push, 5 push. We got 5 pushes to the top of that area. double retest and market's working its way down for that decline of that market. Okay, and then when the market got to this level here, all that market did was break to the low, came back to retest, touch, and then broke down lower. Okay, guys, very important information. Please review Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images. When you guys do find these structures, these patterns, what you want to do is identify what's going on. What's going to identify doji, dragonfly doji. What's dragonfly doji? Market start off at a resistance, work its way now to support. Last candle in the market is a what? Dragonfly doji. What's a doji? Weak candle in the market. Don't know what to do. You'll have to wait for the next candle to engulf the previous candle for that market to go up or down. Breakout retest strategy. What do we see? Market's at a low, working its way into that uptrend. We have that break. Market broke the resistance, came back to retest multiple times, once, twice, not really lined up properly. But that's the concept. Market's breaking, came back to retest. You can see patterns all in here. W, first, second, third, fourth, retest. Market pushed up, retest, retest. Market pushed up new levels. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, running the levels. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. TSLA stock.